Welcome to Coach Ruth's channel. Coconut oil is a versatile natural product with numerous daily uses at home. Here are 15 ways you can incorporate it into your routine. Personal care and beauty. 1. Moisturizer for skin. Coconut oil hydrates and nourishes dry skin, keeping it soft and smooth. 2. Hair conditioner. It deeply conditions hair, reduces frizz, and promotes hair growth when applied as a hair mask. 3. Makeup remover works as a gentle and natural way to remove makeup, even waterproof mascara. 4. Lip balm. Keeps lips soft, prevents chapping, and provides a natural glossy look. 5. Natural deodorant. Has antibacterial properties that help neutralize body odor when used alone or mixed with baking soda. Health and wellness. 6. Oil pulling for oral health. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth helps remove toxins, freshen breath, and improve gum health. 7. Soothes sunburns. Reduces redness, inflammation, and pain from sunburn while promoting skin healing. 8. Wound and cut healing. Acts as a natural antibacterial and antifungal treatment for minor cuts and wounds. Nine. Relieves dry hands and feet. Softens rough skin and cracked heels when applied overnight. 10. Natural shaving cream. Provides a smooth shave while moisturizing the skin and preventing razor burn. Home and cooking. 11. Cooking and baking. A healthier alternative to vegetable oils, perfect for frying, sautéing, and baking. 12. Coffee creamer alternative adds a creamy texture and a hint of coconut flavor when blended into coffee. 13. 13. Non-stick cooking spray prevents food from sticking to pans when applied lightly. 14. Wood and leather polish, restores shine and conditions wooden furniture and leather items. 15. Bug bite relief soothes itching and inflammation from insect bites and minor skin irritations. Would you like more details on any of these uses? Like, share and subscribe.